Fireworks are going off in Weaverham. Just wait a minute. I'm getting more fireworks videos for you this year. Or probably in New Year now. I'll get loads of fireworks footage for you. I might get some boxes of them. So anyway, yes, I went to see some ice cream vans tonight and this morning, but unfortunately they weren't out as they was expected to be out. But I'm going to try again tomorrow. Oh, there's one. Yeah, I'm going to try again tomorrow. Even I might do Alison or Geo, but I don't know. Now it's getting cold, and it's the 11th today, guys. So I have got maybe 2-3 weeks left of these ice cream vans for this year. But they'll be born next year. Oh, there's one more. There will be more next year. And Paul, don't know about him, he might come back out before Christmas. But he's going away again. Monday. He's on holiday for 2 weeks. So I'll definitely let some of them next year. There's some more as well. I don't know why they're doing that. I'll definitely let some more of him. If he comes out in February, I might.
Hello. Where did it come from? Over the top of the trees. That would be the club then.
No, this on this angle here. Keep watching for a minute.
How much petrol have you got?
None.
Does it actually tell you how many miles you've got?
It's just flashing now on bar.
No, right, well after that, I was going to take you down to Asda tomorrow.
Why?
Well, it's quiet there to do it.
There's one.
Right there. Oh yeah, there. Yeah, they're not coming to the club, are they?
What?
They're coming over that way.
That's a motor. That is.
Yeah, I'm just closing this door.
Is that a club?
No, that will come that way, won't it? It'll come that way.
The club's that way.
The club's over there. That's Hollywood Road going up. Think of Hollywood Road.
Going up there.
Unless it's on Lime Avenue somewhere. The club, they're going that way from the club.
Where?
That way, that's come. That rocket's just come that way towards you.
The club's.
I'm not shutting the door, I'm just pulling it to.
It's going pretty high. That rocket then. Yeah, so I'm sorry about that. So yeah, Paul. I'm gonna work my way down now. Paul is is down on holiday on Monday, and also he had some trouble with some private stuff with his van. Can't really say. Paul, Geo, I don't know about Geo. Geo wasn't out today, and he wasn't out in the week. They let go into his school, but no sign of him. George, he was out today apparently. My mum heard him. He's still out. He's done away next week. Friday's be the last day. The Saturday he's going on holiday for 2 weeks, and he's coming back out in December. Maybe December. Depends how the weather is. Mike, yes, he's still out. I'm still getting videos of him. He was out tonight, but It was a bit late as I went to Congleton, but I didn't know he was out. Who else? Frederick, yes, that's a big word. She finished in October. So she doesn't like dark. She doesn't like doing the winter time. But she's out on the weekends. Anyone else I need to mention? This is my update, guys, and I will do another update in February. Oh yeah, the red van, the Popeye Sailor van. Not seeing him either today. I've tried to get to him before Christmas, as he said he will finish 2 weeks before Christmas, so I don't know, is that true or not? So yeah. And who else? Ooh, and Winsford. I will be starting Winsford next year. Next year, Winsford. Maybe I would get time. I might do Middlewich if my dad lets me. Oh, and Birmingham, Tamworth. Yes, I'll probably go down there a couple of days next year in the summer, but I don't know yet. See how things plan out. What else need to explain to you? Oh yeah. When I go airports now, I might do some planes, and when I go to the train stations, I might do them as well. And also, I will be doing police cars as well, ambulances and trains. Maybe helicopters if one comes to load, as there's loads that come to mine over Weaverham, Chinook. What else? I'll probably give you a tour around my college as well. So yeah, there will be a lot of things going on. And next year I will get the full video of the fireworks in Alton Towers. And maybe I might go to the Starfest if you're lucky. So yeah, so that's my update, guys. I'll see what I can do for you, but there won't be as many videos. Maybe, well, I've got to do another 20 on the computer, but it's this week to caught up to date. So yeah, I'll probably get it all published by tonight. And this update will be going on tonight as well, if I get through all my videos. But if not, will be what are we on? Sunday tomorrow? Monday update. This will be on Monday, the latest. The earliest is Saturday. This Saturday night, or tomorrow. Depends what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Send me loads of messages. And more views, please. I want at least next year, or at least 6,000 views, and I want at least 20 likes on the video. Thank you, and thanks for watching for all my videos throughout the 2 years now I've been doing it. Thanks for everything what you have said to me about Brian. That is a big update, but I can't do any more because he's died. But, oh yeah, only one more thing to say. The Allison one is Brian's old green van. I'll try to get that for you. I will get it one day, but I don't know when. I was hoping tomorrow, but I don't know. See how things planned out. But thanks for watching. Now, goodbye.